In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize your calendar availability times in Calendly. Whether you're setting up your schedule for the first time or need to make adjustments, Calendly offers simple tools to ensure your availability is perfectly tailored to your needs. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your account. To do this, click on the login button, enter your email address in the designated field and hit continue. After that, input your password and click continue again to enter your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Calendly homepage. It's here where all the magic happens. Look for the availability section and click on it. This is where you can manage and customize when you're available for meetings. Calendly offers two displays for your availability, list or calendar view. You can choose whichever one that makes you feel more comfortable or suits your preference. To make changes to your availability, simply click on the time box that you want to modify. Doing so will give you the option to click on Edit Date. Here you can update the time slots to reflect your new availability. Tweaking these times can be crucial, particularly if your schedule is ever changing. Once you've adjusted your time slots, don't forget to click Apply to save your changes. If you need to remove a time slot, click on the box that contains the time you wish to remove. Once again, you'll click on Edit Date, but this time you'll notice an X icon. Click this icon to remove the unwanted time slot. Just like before, ensure you hit Apply if you want this change to stick. For those who prefer the list display, editing is just as straightforward. You can remove a time slot by clicking the X next to it, or add new availability by clicking the plus icon. It's all about making sure your calendar reflects the times you're truly available. Now, if you find you have a day with perfect availability settings and want to replicate it on another day, you can easily do so. Click on Copy to transfer the availability settings from one day to another. This feature is especially useful for those with repetitive schedules, making the process quick and efficient. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your calendar availability in Calendly. These customization options give you full control over your schedule, allowing you to maximize productivity and stay organized.